Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for ninth students and chapter is atoms and molecules. In the last class we were discussing about some exercise questions. In this class also I am going to discussing all remaining questions. Okay, so I am going to discuss this seventh question. What is the mass? What is the mass of first one? A 1 mole of 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen atom, 1 mole of nitrogen atom. So 1 mole nitrogen atom, it is nearly equal to molar mass of that nitrogen atom. Right now, so the mass of the mass of 1 mole of the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom, that is equal to what is the molar mass of nitrogen? Single, for single nitrogen, n. So atomic number is 7 and atomic mass is 14 u. In a molar mass 14 grams. So this is the answer. The 1 mole of nitrogen atom, you have to mole, you have to convert into mass. So the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom, that is 14 grams. Okay, next B, 4 moles of aluminium atom, 4 moles of aluminium atoms. So they give the hint also in bracket. Atomic mass of aluminium, that is 27, right now. For this you have to calculate the mass. Same way, the mass of 4 moles of the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atoms is, so how many moles ma? Here 1 mole, right now, that is directly you have to written as 14, but here 4 moles are there, that's why 4 into 27, 4 into 27, how much ma? 108 grams, 108 grams of mass is there for 4 moles of aluminium atoms. So this is a very simple questions. Okay, in first and second questions, same way. In the same way you have to solve these questions. Okay, so next C. So in that C, 10 moles of sodium sulfite, sodium sulfite. So the molecular formula of this sodium sulfite is NaSO3. NaSO3. Okay, this is the molecular formula. And for this 10 moles you have to convert into mass. So how can you calculate this? Here 10 moles is there. That's why I am taking 10 into 10. So 10 sodium atoms. So okay, now here 10 into, you have to calculate all these molar mass. Bracket. So sodium. So for this sodium, how many sodium atoms? Sorry, here Na2SO3. Na2SO3 is the molecular mass of sodium sulfate. How many sodium atoms ma? Here 2 sodium atoms there. 2 into, so atomic mass of sodium is how much? 23 right now. Plus next sulfur. So sulfur atomic mass is how much ma? 32 is the atomic mass of sulfur. How many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen atoms are there. 3 into, for oxygen atomic mass, so that is 16. So this is the calculation part. So 10 into 2 into 23, how much? 46, plus here 32, plus 3 into 16, 48. So you have to simplify this ma. So 46 plus 32 plus 48, total that is 10 into 126 grams. So total how much? Total is 10 into 126, that is 1260 grams. 1260 grams of mass is there for 10 moles of sodium sulfite. In 10 moles of sodium sulfite, 1260 grams of mass or atoms are present. Okay, so this is what first question, that is seventh question, what is the mass? So from the moles you have to convert the mass. Okay, let's go to the next question, that is 8. Okay, convert into mole. Convert into mole. Converting to mole. So in this seventh question, they give a moles. They give one moles. From that moles, you have to convert that into mass. But in this, so they give the mass. For that mass, you have to convert the moles. Okay. So eighth question like this: convert a mole. So first, A, 12 grams of oxygen gas. Oxygen gas. For oxygen molecular formula you have to remember ma, in nature oxygen obtained are present as an O2. O2, that is a diatomic molecule, O2. Okay, so this is the molecular formula. For atomic mass of this oxygen, how much ma? For single, 16, right now. For two oxygen the atoms are there na, that's why 2 into 16, that is 32. Okay, first 12 grams of oxygen gas. For this grams into changes into moles. For this 32 grams of oxygen gas. Oxygen gas. Why I am taking 32 grams? So here in the question they told like this: oxygen gas. Oxygen gas means in the nature it obtained as a O2. That's why 2 moles. The 2 moles means 32 grams of oxygen gas. Take how many moles ma? So 32 grams means 1 mole. 1 moles. Okay, so 32 grams of oxygen gas, that nearly equal to 1 mole of oxygen gas. Same, 1 mole of oxygen particles is same, and 32 grams molar mass of oxygen is also same. They give the same meaning. Okay, so then, so 32 grams of oxygen gas, that is equal to 1 moles, right now. For 12 grams of, for this 12 grams, then we have to find out for 12 grams. So 12 grams of oxygen gas, 12 grams of oxygen gas, that is equal to, so in the given mass, so that is 12 grams, given mass by a molar mass. How much molar mass? 32 grams. 12 grams divided by 32 grams. So what is the simplification amma? What is the answer? 0.375 unit mole. What we convert from mass to moles, we have to convert this. Okay, so we have a formula for this: given mass divided by molar mass. Okay, this is the simple thing. So O2 is there, that's why I am taking 32 grams. So 32 grams of oxygen, that is equal to 1 mole of oxygen. Same meaning. Okay, then for 12 grams of oxygen, your formula given mass by molar mass. So 12 grams is the given mass and 32 grams is the molar mass. So the answer is 0.375 mole is the answer. Okay, next B ma. Next B. So 20 grams of water. 20 grams of water. So you can simplify this here. A and B same type questions. Okay, can you solve this? So first you have to calculate the molar mass of water molecule. So what is the formula for water ma? H2O. This is the formula. So you have to find out the molar mass ma first. So 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 into, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1, plus this is all about hydrogen. Next oxygen. How many oxygen atoms? 1 oxygen atom into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1 16 or 16 1s are 16. That is totally 18 grams. So 18 grams is the molar mass of water. Okay, for 18 grams of water, that is equal to 1 mole. That is 1 mole. For 18 grams, we have to tell as 1 mole, right? For 20 grams, you have to find out. For 20, then 20 grams of water. For water, I am going to write H2O. So, what is the answer, or what is the formula? Given mass. So, given mass, which is the given mass? 20 is the given mass. 20 grams by molar mass is how much, ma? 18. So, 20 grams by 18 grams. 20 by 18. So, what is the answer, ma? You have to simplify this. 1.11 moles. 1.11 moles. So this is a very simple so we have a formula for mass changes into mole. So what is the formula? Given mass by a molar mass. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, this is the formula. Given mass divided by molar mass. For A and B, I use this formula. Okay, next is C. Okay, so 22 grams of carbon dioxide. 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide molecular formula is CO2. So first you have to calculate the molar mass of this carbon dioxide. Okay, calculate the molecular mass or molar mass of this carbon dioxide. How many carbon atoms are there? Only one carbon atom. So atomic mass of carbon atom is 12 plus how many oxygen atoms are present? 2 oxygen atoms are present. 2 into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. 12 1 ja 12 plus 16 2 ja 32. Total 44 grams. 44 grams is the molar mass of this carbon dioxide. Okay, so 44 grams of carbon dioxide gas. 44 grams of carbon dioxide gas, that is equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon dioxide. That gives the same meaning. For this, you have to find out 22 grams. This 22 grams into moles, right? So for what you done? So then 22 grams of carbon dioxide. That means given mass, that is 22 grams by molar mass, that is 44 grams. So what is the answer? 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles. This is the answer. This is all about 8 question. 7 and 8 in this class I discussed. In the next class I will discuss all remaining questions 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Thank you.